Choosing the right mini PC for your Plex server requires looking past the aesthetics and into the raw processing power and thermal management. Let's dive into 3 best mini PC for Plex server.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Bosgame E2 Mini PC. The Bosgame E2 represents the new wave of affordable efficiency that has taken the Plex community by storm. Built around modern AMD Ryzen architecture, this machine is surprisingly adept at handling the heavy lifting of media management. The E2 Mini PC runs on the Ryzen 5 3550H processor, which packs 4 cores and 8 threads with speeds up to 3.7 GHz. In everyday use, it feels noticeably quicker than entry-level N150 Mini PCs, especially when handling multiple tasks at once, roughly a 50% boost in multi-core performance. Out of the box, it comes with 16 GB DDR4 RAM, and since it supports dual-channel memory, you can upgrade it to 32 GB if you need even smoother multitasking down the line. What really stands out is its ability to handle triple display setups without breaking a sweat. You can connect up to 3 screens using USB-C and dual HDMI ports, all supporting 4K resolution. On number 2, we have Aostar Gem12 Max Mini PC. When you decide to move from a casual hobbyist to a serious media archiver, the Aostar Gem12 Max enters the frame. This machine is less of a simple server and more of a high-performance workstation shrunk down to the size of a lunchbox. This mini PC comes with a seriously capable 8-core, 16-thread processor that can boost up to 5.1 GHz, so it handles everything from gaming to content creation and heavy multitasking without slowing down. Paired with Radeon 780M graphics built on the latest RDNA3 architecture, you can expect smooth performance for casual gaming, editing, and design work. It's also designed to be flexible, with plenty of connectivity options so you can hook up different peripherals and use it in a variety of setups. One of the biggest highlights is its multi-display support. You can run up to 4 screens at once in 4K at 60 Hz. Everything can be displayed simultaneously, which makes it great for multitasking, work setups, or even more specialized use cases. Overall, it's a solid productivity booster, especially if you rely on multiple screens to get. On number 3, we have Dell Optiplex 7050 Mini PC. There is a certain wisdom in choosing a battle-tested veteran, and the Dell Optiplex 7050 Micro remains a titan in the second-hand and refurbished market. While it may not have the flashy RGB or the latest generation chipsets of its peers, the 7050 offers industrial-grade reliability that is hard to beat. These machines were originally designed for rigorous office environments, meaning they are built to stay powered on for years at a time. For a Plex user on a budget, a refurbished 7050 is often the sweet spot of value. This Dell Precision system is powered by a 6th-gen Intel Core i5-6500T quad-core processor, which delivers reliable performance for everyday work and professional tasks. It also comes with Dell Precision Optimizer pre-installed, helping fine-tune performance for a smoother and more efficient experience depending on your workload. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, the system handles multitasking quite well, whether you're running multiple applications, working on projects, or managing office tasks. Overall, it's a solid choice if you're looking for a dependable machine that balances performance and stability for daily use. So these are some of the best mini PC to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.